Take a slow breath and feel the entire weight of your life loosen just a little. In the next 7 minutes, you are going to release the noise, return to your true nature, and reset the path ahead. The Buddha taught, with our thoughts, we create the world. So for these next moments, let us create a new one. Calm, clear, and full of possibility. Close your eyes gently. Let your shoulders soften. Let your breath fall into a natural rhythm, like waves arriving on a quiet shore. With each inhale, feel clarity rising. With each exhale, feel the burdens of today dissolving. There is no past right now, no future, only this breath. Imagine a warm golden light above your head. Soft, peaceful, like the morning sun touching the top of a mountain. This light is your inner wisdom. The part of you untouched by fear, stress, or doubt. On your next breath, let this light descend gently into your mind, easing tension, bringing space, bringing silence. Your thoughts become like clouds, drifting effortlessly across an open sky. The Buddha said, "Peace comes from within. Do not seek it without." Feel this truth settling in your heart. You don't need to earn peace. You don't need to chase it. It is here, fully present the moment you turn inward. Let the golden light expand through your chest, widening into compassion for yourself, for your journey, for everything you've had to carry. Now imagine the light sweeping down through your body, into your arms, your hands, your spine, your legs, your feet, with every breath out, release one layer of heaviness. The expectations, the disappointments, the worries you have been holding alone. Let it all fall away, like leaves returning to the earth at the end of autumn. You're allowed to begin again. Bring your attention to your heart. See a small flame glowing there. Steady, unwavering, timeless. This is your inner direction, the place where clarity lives. Ask quietly inside yourself, what do I need now? Maybe it's rest. Maybe it's courage. Maybe it's a new beginning. Don't force an answer. Just allow whatever arises to float gently to the surface. Now imagine the flame in your heart growing brighter, radiating confidence, radiating calm, radiating purpose. See yourself standing on a clear path ahead. A path free of the old doubt, free of the old heaviness, free of everything that no longer serves your higher self. Feel a quiet strength filling your entire being. You are not starting from zero. You are starting from wisdom. Take a deep breath in and breathe out gently. Let your awareness return to your body, your hands, your legs, your chest rising and falling. Feel the softness in your mind, the clarity in your heart, the stillness in your spirit. When you are ready, open your eyes. You have returned. You have reset. You have stepped back onto the path of peace and purpose. And remember, every breath is a new beginning. If this meditation brought you peace, take a moment to keep that energy alive. Subscribe to the Inner Peace Project so you always have a sanctuary to return to. Replay this meditation whenever you need a reset. Your mind will thank you. And if you feel called to support this work, you can offer a small kindness through the link in the description. I thank you with all my heart. Your presence here means more than you know. May you be peaceful. May you be free. And may your path continue to open.